Hello student, we have to study the paper Gg.304, that is skill enhancement course for geography. The title of the paper is Regional Planning and Development. During last period we discussed about the introduction to regional planning, including definition of a region, the concept, need, and objectives of regional planning. Now we are going to study about the next topic, that is role of geography in a regional planning. Before knowing the role of geography in a regional planning, it is necessary to know the concept of a planning. The concept of planning is like planning has become necessary for the development of a country or society. However, planning is done for a variety of purposes. Most of plannings concerns with socio-economic development of a society. Planning involves working to future the welfare of people. Then planning is made to solve the problems being faced by the society and to overcome the problems that are likely to be faced in a society. The study of geography deals with the distribution of natural and human-made phenomena on the surface of the earth. As geography deals with the distribution of a different phenomena, it means that whole surface of the earth is not having similarities in terms of topography, climate, and human creating things. As far as topography is concerned, the surface of the earth is characterized by different landforms. For the example, some regions are characterized by mountainous topography. Some regions are characterized by plateau-like topography, while some regions are having plain area. It means that every place or every part of the surface of the earth is not having a same type of landforms. It differs from place to place, which influences the socio-economic development of a country or the society. Similarly, climatic factors also influence the development especially economic development of a country. Basically, there are two important climatic factors. These are temperatures and rainfall. When we discuss about the temperature of the whole earth, every part of the earth does not receive same amount of insolation, and consequently the temperature conditions are different from place to place. About the rainfall, the distribution of rainfall throughout the world is not equal. It is uneven, and which also exerts its effect on the development of a country or a region. Here we have to discuss about the different aspects of topography, then climate, then human creations, which show their impacts on the development of a region. Climatic conditions are not even throughout the Earth's surface. All these influence in the development of a region. Then a geography deals with the study of distribution of different aspects of the Earth's surface. It helps to sustainable plan for future development. Planning is taken up to solve the problems being faced by the people and to overcome the problems. For the example, the problems like scarcity of water, then problems in agricultural sectors, and so on. When we discuss about the development and planning, there is a requirement of certain things. So these are the resources. Resources play a very important role in the development of country. Economic development of any country is dependent on its natural resources. These are different from place to place. Then the role of regional planning in development. Here the information about the process of planning is found in the study of geography, economics, social sciences, and so on. Planning provides an efficient tools to carry the process of growth in a required directions. As the role of regional planning in development is concerned, here we have to state like the policies of regional development are aimed at reducing the regional disparities. To find out the possible means for developing the region as a whole. As the concept of development broadens and planning becomes more comprehensive, a question arises: at what level of government can be planning can the planning of economic and social and even environmental development be most suitably integrated, or at what levels of government can the implementation of development objectives be conveniently programmed in a proper sequence. Recent development experience may provide answers. Countries with centrally planned economies have gradually supplemented central national with regional territorial planning. They did so to overcome difficulties inherent in a detailed planning exclusively from center. In the countries relying on the market mechanism to regulate the economy, planning was traditionally local and urban. These countries also are now expanding the scope of their master planning to cover area directly influenced by a given city's development, from city to greater city to metropolitan cities to megalopolis, a region, and so on. During the uh, roll up regional during the study of role of regional planning in development, these things are taken into consideration. That is, the policies like regional developments are aimed at reducing the regional disparities. Reducing the regional disparities is the aim of original planning, and the aim of regional planning for the development is to find out the possible means for developing. It means that to find out the solutions to solve the problems is the role of regional planning in development. Thank you.